Good morning. Welcome to the pre-market report for 15th of March, Friday. Let's talk about what happened yesterday. Yesterday, as I said, markets will be almost flat and will trade with negative bias. The same thing happened. Market opened higher, almost 50-60 points, and then moved downwards and traded in red throughout the day. In the last 20 minutes, market recovered 90 points from the day's low, which indicates that we may see green day today. Talking about the closing levels yesterday, Nasdaq closed 16,128 levels, down 49 points. Dow Jones closed 137 points lower at 38,905 points, and S&P closed at 5,150 levels, which is 14 points roughly. Down 14 points roughly, yes. Talking about Wall Street futures are muted as now investors and traders are looking forward to the next week Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting. We have seen hotter than expected CPI and PPI data this week, and now the Fed meeting next week will be the major event for us. As I said, market throughout the week traded in the range, right? So market needs a big trigger to move out of this range, and hopefully the Fed meeting next week will provide that. Talking about bond yields, US 10-year bond yields traded slightly higher at 4.303 levels. US 30-year bond yields traded in red at 4.426 levels. US 2-year bond yields traded in green, traded higher, which is 4.719 levels. So as you know, this week bond yields are trending higher. Fed meeting will give us further guidance on the rate cuts and bond yields as well. Markets are expecting consumer sentiments and industrial production data, which will be out at 10 a.m. and 9:15 a.m. respectively. Talking about stock specific action, Tesla trending downwards, fell from 174 175 levels to 160 levels, closed at around 162.50 levels. Tesla, after the downgrades from couple of investment rating agencies, Wells Fargo and other investment firm, downgraded it and moved its targets lower. Wells Fargo moved the target lower to 115 levels, and that's the reason this stock is trending downwards. Semiconductor stock specifically was in pressure yesterday. Nvidia closed 3.24% lower. AMD was down 4% lower, though Microsoft trending upward 2.4% yesterday. Microsoft was in range 397.98 on the lower side, 420 on the higher side. So this was the range for that stock. Yesterday it moved out and gave breakout on the higher side. Now I am expecting that stock will soon touch 440 levels. It closed at 425 levels yesterday. So if you want to make a trade, you can enter the trade based on your research, but yes, that's how the level was. My expectation for the day is market will remain in range, move up, move down. However, I am expecting a flat to positive day today. Needs bigger trigger, and I am expecting Fed policy will give that big trigger next week. I hope I have provided you sufficient information to trade this day. I wish you good luck, and we'll see you next week, Monday. Bye for now.